Hey guys, it's Erica, and I finally got the rest of my Home Depot order here. So this is going to be my Calathea ornata, and it took 7 days for this plant to get to me as well. So we're going to open it up, see how it's doing, and I also have like a progress update on how my other plants are doing since they've been here. So I'm going to open this box very quickly. I forgot about the packing peanuts. Here they come. Yay. Oh, this one's packaged. Oh. Okay, lots of packing peanuts everywhere. Let's unwrap this baby. Okay, well, here it is. It's closed up from being packaged, and it looks pretty good. There's a lot of kind of yellowing leaves though, but I feel like the only reason that I noticed them right away is because they're yellow and all the other leaves are like black and pink. But other than those yellow leaves, I think it looks pretty good. The pink is kind of not as pink on some leaves, which I will show you in a close-up video. Let me unwrap her here. Same deal here. Sphagnum moss with soil underneath. It feels pretty heavy, and probably not gonna water it, but this is pretty. There's like a lot of leaves, and I feel like it will be a lot more apparent once this baby opens up. I'm excited. Let me show you. I brought my my ornata that I have right now, which I said only has one leaf, and that's why I bought this one, but here she is. Her one leaf. And this leaf is a leaf that grew out. This is, I think, the only leaf that grew out since I had her, and it's the only one here. All the other ones didn't make it, so I'm hopefully gonna be able to keep this plant alive, because this one is so, oh, look at the difference. Oh my gosh, but I'm so excited to finally have another Calathea ornata. I've been debating for a while on whether or not to get another one because I love how this plant looks. It is such a gorgeous plant. It literally has like black leaves with pink lines, and it looks unreal. Literally, it looks unreal. It looks like a fake plant. So I love this plant, and I'm so glad to have a healthy one now. And then I'm gonna keep trying to recover this one because this is my first one and I'll always love it. But she's just not looking too hot, so now she has a friend. And they're gonna live together and hopefully be okay. Yeah, this looks pretty good. It's been in the mail for 7 days, so I can't really complain. So now that we've seen the new plant, my sad Calathea, I'm gonna give you an update on how the other plants are doing. Here is my Stromanthe trio star, and I got this like actually I don't know how many days, I'll put it here, but I got it this many days ago, and this one was in the mail for 7 days also. It looks pretty good. It opened up like completely, but then I put it next to this grill light while I was filming, so she kind of just boop. Isn't it crazy? She like sticks out like crazy. I keep her in a south-facing window, like a little farther back from a south-facing window, and it has a humidifier. Like she has a humidifier right next to her because I don't want her to get crispy, although she has gotten kind of crispy tips. Let me show you. So she has gotten crispy tips, and that is on every single one of her leaves. They just have more or less crispiness. I don't know, depending on what. And this leaf that came crispy increasingly like gotten worse, and I just feel really bad because she was living it up in Florida where they have amazing humidity, and then she comes here to Southern California and it's pretty humid right now because it's been raining like non-stop. Today it's really hot, but it's been raining otherwise, and it's gonna start raining again. So I don't know, she should be happy, because if she came in the summertime she would have been really sad by how dry it is. But I think this is pretty like good humidity for Southern California, and this is how she is. So she really needs to like adapt to this climate, and I even have her next to a humidifier. So I haven't watered her yet. I'm actually gonna water her today, so I'm excited. But yeah, she looks amazing, so good. And I have my Burle Marx here, and it pretty much looks the same, doesn't look really that different. I think it will take a while for it to start being so kind of bendy, and I still need to repot and drill a hole, but I'm just letting it sit for a little bit. This one has been living under my grow lights, and this new leaf that I kind of talked about when I first got it, that looked like it wasn't gonna make it, is not gonna make it. So yeah, I actually just pulled it off right now. Called that one. But other than that, I'm pretty happy. Oh, there's another one gonna come out. I hope this one makes it. I don't know if you can see. Where is it? It's somewhere in there, but I don't know if that one's gonna make it. I actually don't think so. But anyways, I'm just happy that they're kind of acclimating, and I can't wait to repot this one. This is Burle Marx. I don't know if I said it's the Burle Marx philodendron, and I'll link the other 2 videos for this series. These are doing very well, and then we just got to see how this baby does. And I'm gonna guarantee that this baby is gonna be more fussy than this one, so we'll see how much she gets crispy. We'll see her crispy tips by the end of this. Otherwise, I'm not really planning on repotting my Ornata or my Stromanthe anytime soon, and I'm actually going to put this Ornata next to the Stromanthe on the south-facing window with the humidifier going so that they can acclimate as well as possible. And Calathea and Stromanthe really do like high humidity, so yeah. I stand by what I said earlier. I do recommend buying off of Home Depot, and of course there's going to be a little bit of wear and tear on the plants, but that's to be expected, especially if they're shipping like in the mail for 7 days, because that's quite a long time. But they look really good, right? She's really branching out. And I can't wait to see this one branch out and just unfurl. It's gonna look so good. And this guy just needs to grow a little bit. I'll probably take him outside for some sunlight, and when it rains, for some rain, some good old rain. That is it for today's video. I'm also gonna write reviews for all these plants, but I'm probably gonna write a review, and I really love all my plants that I got off of Home Depot. I'm probably gonna do some other online shopping videos. I can't do nursery tours really anymore, so I feel like that's the new version of a nursery tour. I don't know. Let me know if you like these types of video. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Home Depot shopping online has my seal of approval, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!